How to fix try again later on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix try again later on Instagram. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, if you are encountering this try again later message on Instagram, it can be frustrating. It usually occurs due to several reasons such as temporary bans, limit on access, or issues with the app or internet connection. Simply, the first step you need to follow is restart your app or device. You can close the app by swiping or using the task manager to close the Instagram completely in this way. So, after that, you need to launch the Instagram app to see whether your issue has been persisted or not. If not, you can simply clear the cache and help in resolving this kind of issue with the app. For that, tap and hold Instagram app, tap I button. After that, you need to select the storage users option and tap clear cache. Once you do that, make sure to update your Instagram. An outdated version of the app can cause various issues. Launch Play Store or App Store. Tap on search icon at bottom right corner and then select search bar at top and type in Instagram. Once you see Instagram, if there is any update button, select that and then you need to update your app to the latest version. Lastly, what you can do is simply you can reinstall the Instagram app. Reinstalling app can fix any corrupted files. So tap and hold on Instagram, tap on the trash button and then tap on install. After that, you can reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. So if you encounter try again later message on Instagram, passage is often the best approach. By following all this step, you can troubleshoot and potentially solve the issue. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.